Hello and good morning everybody. Welcome to the sixth video of this course, and in this video we will finalize our website, and after finalizing we will in next video we will start our SEO. So let's start finalizing our website. On the main page we have done almost everything, just this footer remains. So about the footer we will go to modules and we'll check first the module of copyright or footer. I think it's displaying from some module. So here it is, copyrights. So we will open this module and let's see this copyright is fine, guru state outright reserved. So after that one more copyright is coming, Joomla templates from joomlamonster.com, and we will go to templates, styles. Let's see the style, and maybe this style, in this style when we go to layout builder, here we will find some footer maybe. Let's see that. So yeah, here that footer, and here the copyrights footer. Joomla templates by joomlamonster.com is some default thing which we have to hide from custom coding. So here this module we don't need, this one. So for that editing purpose we will just click on this extra large devices section, and just we can hide this whole section, but we don't we will hide this section only. So after that, this template is very beautiful template, and we can hide certain modules on certain devices, but definitely we don't need this footer on all devices. So we are going to hide this footer on all devices. Okay, so after that we can save the template and refresh our website, and now this module gone, you can see. And for this Joomla template by joomlamonster.com, we will go to our coding, which is here. If we click on under template here, we will find our coding, and in coding let's find the that copyright section. I think that will be in blocks maybe, and here is footer .php. Let's see, Joom module drop, we get class footer jdog module echo this, and here it is divide jm power by. So here this is fine actually, and we will change this thing. Here I am adding on our another website, and insert and insert, sorry, insert, and here this actually we can just add by insert, and we are adding one more link, forwarder, okay, save it. Now we will check our website, and you can see now we have two more links here. Okay, now the final thing on our website is probably this main menu, and here you can see the one logo is coming, car classifiers. For changing this logo, we can just click on this logo and inspect its path. So you can see the path of the logo is logo white, and it lies in the main images section. So I think we can do the editing from here Joomla backend as well. In content, we will go to media. Here is our images section, and in media we can just we can actually change this logo white by deleting, but I will explain here. If we will delete this logo here and place the same name here, it will again change to the main logo, okay, because of cache. So for better results, we can go to just cPanel, and first we will rename this logo. In cPanel, we will go to our images folder, and then in main path here we will find our logo white. Which one? Logo white. So images, here it is, logo white. We can rename the logo white to something else, and then we can just check the main logo path. We can upload actually the new logo, but yeah, we can upload. So we can save image, and we can save image by logo white name in desktop, and here we can just upload our logo white image, and that's it. Our logo will be changed. So this is the old logo is coming due to cache problem. If we check by Ctrl+Shift+N in a new browser, you can see the changes, I think. So yeah, logo is changed, that's fine. After that, there is the home page is coming, this main menu is coming, and one module is here. The menu is dedicated for mobile menu only. There are no limitations like this. So for changing that thing, I think that's coming from some module. So we will go to module, the text in the menu, okay, so that's coming from some module. So we'll go to that module menu. Let's see, yeah, DJ mega menu mobile info. So I think here it is. So yes, here we will change some text here, and I will place some this guru state about context, this text here. It will be beneficial in our SEO. Okay, so that's done. Now we will move to our main menu, and we will make some changes in main menu section. Here we have home. Home is fine. Features, we will delete the features. Menu, we don't need features menu. After that we go to home, it will be directed to home, that's fine. Okay, everything is fine. After deleting the that section, I go to mobile. In after home, this top section is fine, okay, adverts, login, register, and post ad. In classified section, we can add at item, category tree, region tree, single ad view, lot of irrelevant things. Gallery, we don't need gallery. here languages we don't need, about the template we don't need, and contact definitely we need. So now in this classifieds section, after classified we can just delete the gallery, the languages. Let's delete these menus first. After that, about the template, and contact is fine, profiles are not fine, so we can delete these profiles. And here in classified section, if you click on classifieds, let's see what will happen. Nothing will happen. Add item, if we click on add item, it will be redirected to login page, that's fine. And after that, category tree, if we go to category tree, it will move to our classifieds sections, that's fine I think. And if we go to regions tree, we don't need this. And category table layout, yeah, this is also fine. So here what we can do, we will just rename this category tree, region tree, single ad tree. These menus we don't need, and I will move rename to categories, explore all categories, we can say all categories. And after that, after all categories, in category table layout, we can change it to all ads, okay. So now if we check our menu, I think it will be according to our needs. Yes, classifiers, and classifiers you can see the all categories, all ads, and user registration. So after that we will add some more menus, and that's very important actually. And why it's important? It's important according due to SEO purpose, and we will definitely in the same video we are going to add some menus, and in next video we will see that how we can do SEO for that menus. So now we will go to menu. In what is this pages section, some menus are irrelevant I think. No, this pages section we need, that's fine actually. Partners, yeah, we have created this in last videos. Top bar, that's also fine. And blog, we don't need this blog because we have blog. No, we need this blog here for Guru State, okay. So let's create one more item here for blog. And in blog, if you see there is a menu with a grid view and list view, etc. So if we go to grid view, we have this menu item coming from choose a category JM sample blog, okay. Let's see the articles coming from that category sample blogs. Yeah, we have some blogs here, sample blogs here, okay. So what we will do, we are going to create one menu item for blog. We will just change it to blog, and we can place this menu in main menu section. And in main menu section there is an already a blog menu. I think that will be in trash, so we can go to trashed items, and we can delete all the trashed items. Here it may be a menu with blog alias. So we are deleting our trashed. Then we are going to our blog main menu again, and first we will check the grid layout. So for checking the grid layout, we can just paste link here. So you can see the grid layout of blog is like this, which is very good. And we will use this here, blog, and menu we will change it to main menu. Let's recheck. Oh, again it's not. Same here with the other blog lie in company menu. Okay, so here it is actually one blog menu in the company section, and here we have posted some URL in blog. Yeah, so we can delete this. We should have blog on this website also. Okay, it's a necessity for SEO purpose. So after that we will go to trashed, and we will trash also the same URL, this menu, and after that we will go to that blog menu, and now we will be succeeded, I think, by doing the same thing. And now, yeah, it's fine. Save and close, and now we will again go to blog menu, main menu, and we will just delete these irrelevant menus from this blog section. Trashed, we'll delete from here also, and then we will go to main menu, and this main menu we will delete for blog. Okay, we have added sub menu, that menu item in main menu here by naming blog. So we'll go to here, you can see one new menu with name blog. So that's it, that's we need. Okay, now in blogs we will add one or two blogs here by going here in blog. First we will change the name of the category, and here it is, GM sample blog category. We'll just make it blog, save and close, and go to articles. We'll go to GM sample data. Here some menus are coming, and we don't need these items actually, and we can delete these items from this category. After that we will again check some category DJ classified views. We will delete these articles also, these are the sample articles. Then we will go to categories. I'm actually deleting the irrelevant things, GM sample data, and this we will delete. What is this latest? Privacy policy, sorry, we will again select latest. Here are three demo articles, we don't need these. Go to categories and delete the latest, we don't need. Now we have only two categories, that's fine. Now in blog, one blog is trashed. We will go to articles here, go to our blog section, delete all the blogs. First we will recheck the one blog style actually, and that's for the image size, I think. Here images and links, here one image is coming and the size is same as this size. So save image as, drag this image into Photoshop, we will find the size. Then what we are going to do, we are going to delete all the blog articles. This is coming from some module, okay, so that's fine. When we change these all articles, then this pop-up will display our articles, so it will be fine. So here we can delete all the blog articles, and then we can go to the status trashed, and then again delete the all irrelevant articles. Now our site is absolutely clean. Go to publish, sorry, select status, no problem, and just add an article. Here we are going to add some articles. Top classified sites in Pakistan. So some blogs are coming, 50, 10, 2. So what we are going to do, we will just copy this text here, in article we will paste the text, copy, format, we will clear the format, and listing top 10 free classified ads. We are making some changes here, okay, so OLX poly are absolutely fine. This we are going to change with gurustate.com, and let's change the link here. Other sites don't have links, okay, that's fine. No, they have links. So what we can do, the links are fine, and we are going to delete these 2 sites here. Now there are sites, 10 sites, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now we can just take some image, let's make some changes in this image. Top 10. Okay, let's save this image, jpg, top 10. I'm just making one blog here only, just for your reference, and later on offline we will add some blogs. Let's select the image, choose file, desktop, open, start upload. Where it is, top 10 is there. Insert on the full article image. We are also inserting this, and top 10 free classified sites in Pakistan. Save this block, and that's it. Now if we go to our blog section, we will find one blog here added successfully, and you can read this blog like this, and everything is absolutely fine. Yeah, gurustate.com. Why article not found? What happens with gurustate? Yeah, because the home menu have some article which we have deleted. That's why these problems we are facing. This problem. Go to main menu, go to home. Here in single articles we can, oh my goodness, there was home tabs article. No problem, we can just add this article, and other things are modules. We can add any article here. Just go to main page, and yes, you can see okay, I have got it. Everything is fine. We have just deleted one article of that tabs, and under popular categories here one this text is coming. So we have made these two changes. Okay, so for that, first of all, popular categories, and here you can see this text. Change this text to explore all popular as categories. Save and close. Okay, now what we'll do here, one module will be with the some home tabs like this. Yes, home popular, and home random. These was the top explore AdWords sections, and explore AdWords. We are going to search for this module, explore AdWords. Why it's not coming? Let's search for all trashed items, and here maybe we find the here it is tabs article, maybe this one, and no, not this one. This is the another one, and we have this here it is home tabs. Yeah, and on home tabs, yeah, everything is fine. So we are going to publish this in company section category, home tabs, and in menu we are going to select that article of home tab. Home tabs. Okay, now everything will be fine, hopefully. Yeah, so we have customized almost everything, and now on the, if you click on any ad on the right side, we want to create one section, this right section, and that's for some relevant modules. So first of all, for that purpose, we are going to create one module. we are already in module sections. Let's create one new module, and we are going to create one new custom module. Let's make one image. Okay, here we're going to create one image size 320 into 420. Maybe that will be a good size for advertisement purpose. No, we should make it small, like this. We're going to add some image here. We are adding a rectangle here with opacity, and let's add a text. Visit, play best games free. So we are making one ad on the right side of all pages, so that will be displayed on all pages. Okay, great. File, save as. We can do save it as forwarder at, and now in module we will upload that image. Insert, and then we are going to add that link. Here it is. Select this one, just link this image and add URL. Okay, and here we can just type forwarder add games. Just hide this title, select the position. We have some right column here in this template. Okay, and in menu assignment we will make on all pages except those selected. So we will just hide this add on main menu. Okay, save and close. And now if we move to any section, for example blog, we will find our ad here. So we can this will be displayed on all pages now, okay, except the home page. So that's beautiful. And one error is coming from this all AdWords menu, so we will make it right, all ads, and we can just copy this link. Okay, and we can just go to top bar and AdWords, and then we can actually select the all AdWords here, but yeah, we can select all AdWords, but what we can do, we can just select the type, and we can select category block layout or table layout or category tree, etc. Let's make it category table layout. All categories, all regions are fine. Save it, recheck. Good, now it's fine. Okay, so after that we have finished almost everything, and you can see that how we can add the ads on right side or left side or any other position later on this website. If the main customization of the site is completed, yes, almost completed. One more thing, yeah, we want to add some menus here in the main menu, what I was suggesting you, and we will also delete the irrelevant articles now. Empty trash. Go to main menu, just create a new menu item, select the menu, DJ classified, category blog layout or table layout, whatever we can use. We are going to use blog layout for these sections, and here we are going to add services menu. Okay, so after that save and new, and we are going to add more menu, blog layout, and after that real estate, save and new. Like this we will add all the main categories which lies on our main section. Like this you can see, if we click on services we will move to services page like this, and so it's a necessity actually, okay, so for SEO purpose. So I will add that all menus now after finishing this video, and in next video we are going to start our SEO. Thank you very much. Meet you in next video.